Yellow. So, happy day 27 of October. We're almost done or almost there. Just a few more days. Today I wanted to make a sweet and short video because like the last videos have been super overwhelming. Oh, I just noticed my camera is moved. There you go. And I wanted to show you something that I spent hours doing yesterday. So I'm very excited about that. If you go to my GitHub repo profile, github.com/Alexandra Martinez, and you scroll down until the MuleSoft repos section, and then you check out the DataWeave section, click on that DataWeave scripts repo, and that will take me to this beautiful, beautiful repo that I have shared previously with you, but I did some changes. I moved all of the functions to be inside the functions folder. So now they're all here and it doesn't take up more space here. I may move the utilities to like a modules folder. I'm not sure what to do with it yet because I'm still gonna change that one. I remember I did some video saying that I could use a default keyword instead of using the whole try catch strategy thing that I did, but never mind. So if you scroll down, you will find the README. Here's a brief introduction of what this repo is all about. There is more information like the DataWeave landing page or how to open an example in Visual Studio Code. Here's how you can export a script from the DataWeave Playground to Visual Studio Code. It's a video. Or if you're not familiar with the Visual Studio Code extension for DataWeave, you can go ahead and check out this tutorial, Getting Started with the DataWeave extension for Visual Studio Code, which explains how to install the extension, how to use it, what is the folders and files that are created, and so on. And also the prerequisites like installing Java 8 or Maven, which I also added here just in case. But there in the tutorial is going to be the latest information, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're new to that. And for additional questions, you can contact me in my website. So the table of content, I have been adding the head and tail constructor. I may change this section to just head and tail because you can also use it, well, I'm not sure, maybe I will leave it like that. But you can also use it with pattern matching, which is match case, but I haven't added the functions with that. Anyway, you get to the table of contents. If there's some functions that sound good to you, you can just click on them and go there. And then the beautiful thing is that I also simplified the explanations of each function. So it's just like this. So you don't feel lost, because in the previous videos, like all of these scripts were like this, so you could get lost pretty easy. But now I added this section to be able to like minimize them if you don't want to see them, or you can just maximize them and copy the code if you want to use it directly from here. It's the name of the function, and then a summary of the function, and then the video of the function. I believe all of the functions have videos so far, so you can go and watch the video explanation of the function, or the beautiful shiny thing, you can open the example directly in the DataWeave Playground. So instead of having to copy and paste everything and put it in the playground yourself, you can just click on this beautiful button and it will take you to the DataWeave Playground, and it will have all of the examples open automatically for you. So this is great. I added this for every single function now, so you can go ahead and just click on that thing and open the example directly in the DataWeave Playground. How? You wonder how I did that? So if I take this link and I put it in Sublime Text, you will end up seeing that it's separated like this. At first, we just have the regular DataWeave Playground link. If you just go there, you will just see the regular playground as you would normally do. And then we're going to add query parameters. So the first query parameter is project method, and this is using gh-repo. So this is just a static method parameter that you're just gonna send, so it knows that you are referring to a GitHub repository. The second parameter you're gonna use is the repo parameter, and here's where you put what exactly is the name of your repo. In my case, it's Alexander Martinez, and then this is slash, but it is URL encoded. And for that, the beautiful DataWeave Pips sent me this URL. So for example, my repo would be Alexander Martinez DataWeave scripts. I take that and I put it here. So I paste that here, Alexander Martinez DataWeave scripts, and then just click on encode, and it will be encoded like this. In case you have like any other weird characters or something, you can just come to this website, urlencoder.org. I will put it in the description of the video, and you will get here the safe thing that you can use in the URL. So now you just have to copy that and put it here, which is what I did. Basically, as you can see, it's just replacing the slash. And then you have to add the path to where you have the code that you want to output. For example, I don't think I have any payload here, right? No. So let me choose another one that has an input payload. This one, input script output. So you can kind of see how that looks like folder-wise. Here, this one has input, script, and output. So extract path with filters. Where is my thing? So this is located inside functions slash. Remember that this is a slash, and then add index del, well, whatever function you want. So let's go here. Well, actually, extract path with filters. Extract path with filters. We go to functions. Extract path with filters here. So you see inside DataWeave scripts slash functions slash extract path with filters, and this is what we add here in the URL. So we end up with functions slash extract path with filters, and this would be the link. If I go here, this is what I will see: functions extract path with filters. Anyway, you do that, and you should have folders and files similar to this. The output is not necessary because, well, the DataWeave Playground will create the output for you. But the transformation script you have here in the middle, it should be named transform.dwl. It should be named exactly like that. If you have modules, like for example, if you go here in the script explorer and create a new module, test, so this new module can be named whatever you want. In this example, it's test.dwl. So if you want to create a module, then you can just go here and add another DWL file, and that will be your module. But the transform.dwl is the one that you must have in order to have the main script. Now, for the inputs, you have to create a folder called inputs, and inside it, you can create the inputs that you want to have here. In this case, this one is called payload.json. So this is a JSON payload, as you can see here. But if you wanted to add something different, like test.xml, for example, then you would have it like this. It would appear like this, and here you just have to create the test.xml file or whatever inside the inputs folder, and it will automatically appear here. So that is how you can generate your own GitHub repo with everything set up, the files and the folders you need to set this link and to open the example directly in the DataWeave Playground right here. So that is how you do it. I hope that was helpful. It actually took me 10 minutes to explain. I thought it was going to be less. But I will add the links to my DataWeave scripts repo. I'm not gonna add the link to the playground. I'm gonna add the link to the URL, encode and decode and encode. And that's it. You can kind of figure it out on your own from there. I may add an explanation somewhere. I'm not sure. We'll think about it. But anyway, that's how you create the links. And that's it. Let me know what else you want me to do. I may just continue with the head and tail thing because it's just something so new and complex. So we can talk about it for a very long time until we understand exactly what we're doing, which I don't yet. So I still need to be talking about it until I really understand what I'm talking about. So that's all. Tomorrow will be day 28, 29, 30, 31. We still have 4 days left of October. So you can still message me at DevAlexMartinez, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Whatever you want. Or you can also just comment here in the video and I will get back to you or create a video for whatever thing you want me to do, if it's short enough. That's it for this video. I will see you tomorrow then. Bye.